Hello, nature lovers. Welcome to another episode of Backyard 2011, June 3rd. And we're about to do something that would be worthy of the team on Jackass. That could seriously end up being one of those "look what this dumb shit did" videos that goes viral on YouTube. What could I be referring to? Perhaps you'll see it on PBS. A little clip of it, and we would call it Life of the Bee Hive. This Bee Hive. And bees are scarce and ecologically valuable, we know. I've got about 100 of them under that inconspicuous drain cover, green cover, which is leading the way to my sprinkler valves. We're going in. I've got a tool here, my stick, and I'm going to pop that green cover and see if 100 bees or so reveal their life of the hive. Uh-oh, did they leave? Where's the... Oh, there they are. Yes, indeed. You see that? A cluster of bees. Big bees. They are big. What are they doing on the side of that? There's a cluster of them. Oh, oh, oh. My presence has been known. But they go back. Up, 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 up. Little scout. Little scout flew past me. 2 more are out. Do you see that? Watch out for the bees, yay. Bees are over there. Gotta be 100 of them. There's one. Studying turd covering. The bees are all over this stuff. More bees as we get closer. Gas. Can't get too close. Get stung. They come after me. And we were wondering, where are the bees? Well, I know where a couple hundred of them are. Don't we, Yeti? You gonna be a smart little boosy kitty cat and not get your ass stung up here? Let's visit our friends, the bees. Visit the hive, day 17. Oh, they're gone. They split. They left the honeycomb. They're all out. They're all out working. There it is, that rattler shape. There's like nobody home. They all split. Fucking A. They were all crowded around that thing just this morning. Swarm anywhere? Split. And that's what they left behind. Maybe they out and did their, or whatever, little drone thing before the queen. It's amazing. They're freaking gone. You know how many there were? Not a trace of them in these flowers. They have moved on. The bees have moved on. Was it something I said? Where's the bees? Where's the bee so wise, Yeti? Okay, the bees never came back, and they left their waxy honeycomb behind. I'm going to see about hooking that thing. A little closer examination. I'll get my receptacle here. A little bit in there. There it is, as it stands. The deserted bee honeycomb. Bee honeycomb is damaging the edges, and I bended some of the honeycomb already. And you know, part of my reticence is I don't know if there's any stinging insects still residing around there. I suppose not. But heard of it. There it is. Wow. Love it. There it is, close examination. There's a smaller one here too. Like that. And there's only a little bit of hive hanging here. Left behind. See that? Should I leave it? I guess I'll leave it. Let me leave it, and the bees will maybe have a little foundation if they return. So. We now have this for closer study. That's a beehive. It's swarming with bees. I'm going to flip it over without touching it. Let's see the other side of it. There were hundreds of bees crawling on that thing. I don't know what that yellow liquid is in there. No honey. Very interesting though, huh? Okay. That's the hive.